Sitting too long affects circulation, metabolism, and even lifespan. Here's how to fix it. In our modern world, the office environment has undergone a significant transformation. We've moved from active, dynamic roles to increasingly desk-bound positions, where sitting for hours on end has become the norm. This shift, while seemingly harmless, has inadvertently created what many health experts now call a silent health crisis. Prolonged sitting, often underestimated, is quietly impacting our well-being in profound ways. Numerous articles and studies now highlight the detrimental effects of extended periods of sitting. These findings paint a clear picture of the risks associated with a sedentary lifestyle, even for those who consider themselves otherwise active. This script advocates for regular movement breaks as a crucial strategy to mitigate these growing health risks. It's a simple yet powerful intervention that can make a world of difference. It's important to emphasize that regular exercise alone is often insufficient to counteract the negative impacts of prolonged sitting. Even if you hit the gym daily, sitting for 8 hours straight can still undermine your health goals. Our bodies are designed for movement, not for static, extended periods of inactivity. The core message we want to convey today is the critical importance of interrupting sedentary behavior throughout your day. This isn't about intense workouts, it's about consistent small changes. The primary recommendation is straightforward and actionable for everyone, regardless of their fitness level. Simply stand up and move. This simple act is your most powerful tool against the silent health crisis of prolonged sitting. The frequency of this movement is key to its effectiveness. Aim to stand up and move at least every 30 minutes, without fail. The duration of these breaks doesn't need to be long or strenuous. Just a few minutes of light activity can be incredibly beneficial. Even a quick stretch or a short walk can reset your body and mind. This seemingly simple act has a profound and far-reaching impact on your overall well-being. It's a small investment for significant returns. Let's delve deeper into why prolonged sitting is such a concern for our health. One of the most significant risks is an increased likelihood of cardiovascular disease. Extended periods of inactivity can negatively affect blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and blood vessel function, contributing to heart problems over time. Furthermore, prolonged sitting is strongly linked to an increased risk of developing type 2 diabetes. When you sit for long periods, your muscles are inactive, which reduces their ability to absorb glucose from the blood. This can lead to insulin resistance and elevated blood sugar levels. Research also suggests a connection between extended sitting and an increased risk of certain cancers. While the exact mechanisms are still being studied, it's believed that inflammation and metabolic dysfunction caused by inactivity play a role. This highlights the systemic impact of a sedentary lifestyle on our bodies. Beyond these serious conditions, prolonged sitting is a major contributor to musculoskeletal problems. It can lead to chronic back pain, neck stiffness, and hip issues, as our bodies are not designed to maintain static postures for hours. These discomforts can significantly impact daily life and productivity. Sitting for extended periods also slows down your metabolism. When your muscles are not engaged, your body burns fewer calories and processes fats and sugars less efficiently. This metabolic slowdown can contribute to weight gain and other health complications. Another critical consequence is reduced blood flow throughout the body. This can lead to poor circulation, especially in the legs, increasing the risk of blood clots and swelling. Adequate blood flow is essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients to all your tissues and organs. Finally, prolonged sitting inevitably leads to muscle stiffness and pain. Your muscles and joints become rigid, making movement uncomfortable and difficult. This stiffness can accumulate over the day, leaving you feeling tired and achy by evening. Fortunately, the solution to these physiological challenges is readily available and highly effective. Regular movement throughout the day actively works to counteract the risks associated with prolonged sitting. One of the immediate benefits is a significant boost to your metabolism. When you stand up and move, even for a short time, your muscles become active, increasing your metabolic rate. This helps your body burn more calories and process nutrients more efficiently, mitigating the metabolic slowdown caused by sitting. It's like giving your internal engine a much-needed kickstart. Movement also dramatically improves circulation throughout your entire body. Standing and walking help pump blood more effectively, ensuring that oxygen and vital nutrients reach your cells and tissues. Better circulation reduces the risk of blood clots and keeps your cardiovascular system healthier. Furthermore, incorporating regular movement helps to strengthen your muscles. Even light activity engages core muscles, leg muscles, and back muscles, preventing atrophy and improving overall muscular endurance. Stronger muscles provide better support for your skeleton, reducing the likelihood of pain and injury. The benefits of movement breaks extend far beyond just physical health. They also offer significant cognitive advantages. Taking a few minutes to move can dramatically improve your focus and concentration. It helps to break the monotony of a task and allows your brain to refresh itself. When you return to your work after a short break, you'll often find yourself more alert and able to tackle complex problems with renewed clarity. This increased mental acuity can lead to higher quality work and greater efficiency. It's a simple trick to boost your brain power. Movement also naturally increases your energy levels. Instead of reaching for another cup of coffee, a quick walk can stimulate blood flow and oxygen to the brain, providing a natural energy boost. This can help combat the afternoon slump and keep you productive throughout the day. Beyond energy, movement breaks are incredibly effective at helping to reduce stress. Physical activity releases endorphins, which have mood-boosting and stress-reducing effects. Stepping away from your desk, even briefly, can provide a much-needed mental escape from work pressures. This reduction in stress directly contributes to an improved mood. Feeling less stressed and more energized naturally leads to a more positive outlook. A better mood can enhance your interactions with colleagues and improve your overall work environment. Ultimately, these short bursts of activity provide a crucial mental reset for renewed vigor. They allow you to clear your head, gain perspective, and return to your tasks with fresh eyes and a revitalized spirit. It's a powerful tool for maintaining both mental and physical well-being. Now that we understand the profound benefits, let's explore some practical tips for seamlessly incorporating movement breaks into your daily routine. One of the simplest and most effective strategies is setting a timer for reminders. Use your phone, a desktop app, or a smartwatch to prompt you every 30 minutes. When the timer goes off, make it a non-negotiable habit to stand up and move. A great way to do this is by simply walking around the office. Take a lap around your floor, visit a colleague, or just walk to the water cooler and back. Every step counts. Another excellent opportunity for movement is taking the stairs instead of the elevator. This small change can add significant steps and elevate your heart rate, providing a mini workout. It's an easy way to integrate physical activity without disrupting your schedule. Don't underestimate the power of doing simple stretches or exercises right at your desk. Neck rolls, shoulder shrugs, leg extensions, or even a few standing lunges can be done discreetly. These movements help to alleviate stiffness and improve flexibility. Consider having walking meetings whenever possible. Instead of gathering in a conference room, suggest a stroll around the building or a nearby park. This not only adds movement, but can also stimulate creativity and improve communication. It's a win-win for health and productivity. The key is finding easy to integrate and enjoyable activities that fit your personal preferences and work environment. Whether it's dancing to a song, doing a few jumping jacks, or simply standing while taking a phone call, make it something you look forward to. Consistency is far more important than intensity when it comes to breaking up sedentary time. In conclusion, the message is clear and urgent. It's time to prioritize your health by consciously breaking up periods of sitting. Your well-being should never be compromised by the demands of your work or daily routine. Make a commitment to yourself today. Remember, small, consistent changes truly make a significant difference over time. You don't need to overhaul your entire lifestyle. Just a few minutes of movement every half hour can yield remarkable results. This simple habit is a powerful investment in your future health. By integrating regular movement breaks, you will not only improve your overall well-being, but also boost your productivity. A healthier, more energized you is a more focused and effective you. It's a positive cycle that benefits every aspect of your life. Don't let work demands compromise your health. Instead, prioritize movement as an essential part of your workday. Your body and mind will thank you for it. Start today, set that timer, and stand up for your health. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more video.